This 5-minute solution will show you how to turn on Bluetooth in Windows 10. So as you can see right now, I'm in my desktop computer and now I'm clicking on this search icon and here type Bluetooth. And here you will get the Bluetooth and other device settings. So click on it. And then you will jump into Bluetooth settings window. Here, to turn on Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth button. Toggle on this Bluetooth button. Now tap on Add Bluetooth or other device. Now select the kind of device that you want to add. I'm selecting Bluetooth. I'm selecting Bluetooth. Available Bluetooth devices. Now simply click on the device that you want to connect, and this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.